Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arielle, and in this video I'm going to show you how I came up with this purple smoky eye. I'm using the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. I'm going in with the palest of the purples first as my transition. Now I'm taking this purple in the crease just to give me some definition. To start smoking everything out, I'm taking the darkest purple in the outer V and just packing it on, but I'll come back later on and pack it on even more. And of course, I'm cutting my crease halfway. This is very similar to my last video, so I'm not going in depth with that. Now I'm taking this silver and putting it where I cut the crease. I was just practicing with this look and I actually ended up liking how it came out, so I decided why not come and show you. Now this is where I go back in and add more of that deep purple and blend everything together. Now I'm using Benefit's Bling Brow for my little rhinestone look. They come in all different colors and sizes. I got these from when I used to work there. They don't sell them to the public, but if you do want rhinestones, you can always get them from craft store or even Walmart for very cheap and a whole bunch of different colors and sizes too. Using the two darkest purples, I just mixed them together and I'm putting them on my lash line. And for my waterline, this is just a pink NK liner from the hair store. I didn't get a chance to show you, but it's just pink. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.